The most fundamental part of styling our hair is using a hairdryer. What's the best hairdryer for you? It's the GHD Helios. 4 different attachments are available for the GHD Helios, which is great because it caters to all hair types. Our first attachment is the contoured nozzle. Using this helps direct the airflow and helps increase shine. I like using this nozzle to create voluminous, bouncy blow dries. Our second attachment is the professional wide styling nozzle. This nozzle is wider at the end, which is perfect for creating a straight, smooth, sleek blow dry. This is our professional diffuser. If you want to enhance your natural curly hair, then this is the attachment for you. It's designed in such a way to create a cloud-like airflow. It gently dries your curls while allowing the airflow to come through the teeth to dry your roots. This is our professional comb attachment. It has 2 rows of tapered teeth and it is great to comb out your hair while drying. I like to use this attachment on thick afro hair. It's great for combing out starting at the ends and getting to the roots while drying. So there you have it, professional attachments for the GHD Helios, an attachment for every hair type.
Don't forget to subscribe, like and share.